Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand this time and work problem. Okay, so this is very interesting. Okay, what they have told over here is see, two people can finish the entire work in 9 days. Okay, so I can say that one person will need how many days? He will need 18 days to finish the whole work, right? Because if the number of person is decreasing, then the amount or the time taken to finish the work will increase with the same ratio, right? So from here, this is where a lot of people think get stuck, because since they think that I've divided 2 by 2 so to get a 1, so here also 9 has to get divided by 2 to get the answer, and they think it is 4.5, but it is logically incorrect, especially in terms of time and work. Whenever the number of persons are decreasing, okay, whenever the number of person is decreasing, the amount of time taken to finish the work done or to finish the work will always increase, right? So here two people took 9, so here one will take what, 18. I hope this is very clear. Okay, next what we will do is see that one person, since the one person took 18 days, okay, took 18 days to finish it, so I can say one person in one day will do 1 upon 18, the whole work, right? And they are saying that the entire work has to be done in 6 days. So in one day, how, whatever, let's say they will multiply it with x number of people, the entire work done by them in one day will be 1 by 6. So from here I can say therefore x value will be 18 upon 6, that gets you 3. So we will say that how many more people, please understand the question is how many more. Your x is what? X is the total number of people, total number of people. Okay, so initially we had 2, and then we have to add something which will get you the total of x, and this is coming out to be 3. So 2 plus what? So answer will be 1. So here the answer will be 1 and not 3. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.